Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can add custom CSS to your WordPress website. So we are already logged into our WordPress dashboard, and we are using the default 2021 theme. Most of the themes have settings page to add custom CSS for your website, but if there is no place to add CSS, you can use some plugins or go to Appearance and Customize. And here you will see additional CSS. You can close this. Now you can write your custom CSS codes here. For instance, if I want to change the color of this title, I will find the name of it using Inspect element. So this is the name. And then you can simply write your own CSS codes here. After writing your custom codes, simply publish the page, and this CSS will be implemented on your site. You can see the color is red. Let me close this. Let me also quickly go to the pages and open a sample page. Let me preview this page. If you want to add CSS to this page and as well want to see the changes, you need to click on Customize. Let me close this. If you cannot find this toolbar, then go back to your dashboard. Then go to Users and All Users. Click on the username and make sure this toolbar option is ticked. And update profile. And then this will be visible. Then click on Customize. Go to Additional CSS. Our earlier CSS will also be here. Let me quickly change the color of the title. Find the title name and then add your custom CSS here and publish your page. So this is how you can add custom CSS to your website. Thank you very much.